In 2012, I was diagnosed with breast cancer the first time and needed to have a double mastectomy, well, one side mastectomy, so I opted for a double. The second one was in 2014, and I felt a lump. It had spread to 9 of my lymph nodes. As I was going through treatment, I met women who could not afford to buy wigs, and they were really struggling with their appearance. I had purchased several for myself, and I started giving them mine. I began thinking about how do I make this easier for the patient, and taking the Mission Mobile, having this wonderful RV, and the ability to go to their treatment facilities with everything that we need on board, just it made all the sense in the world. It was born there and then has continued on.
I knew that I wanted to do whatever I could to help Nancy, to help her organization, and most importantly to help our patients. You don't realize how much your hair is part of your identity, and so having this wonderful organization who can bring that to them free of charge and help them feel beautiful and feel normal is priceless.
We really want to know what their personal style is, what their pre-chemo hairstyle was like. Sort of their wish list of what they want out of a wig. Do they want something short and sassy with highlights? Do they want, something really long and sultry? Or, also their favorite colors, and if they like anything like animal prints or something like that, so that we have hats and headscarves and cute turbans and things on board. It's really their own personal style. So it's a way for us to get to know them and what they're looking for. They know when they see themselves. There's a moment, and sometimes that's with wig 1, sometimes that's with wig 5, but it's a guttural thing, and they know when they see themselves. I want them to feel loved and cared for. They know that I've walked this road that they are walking. I think that's the most important part of this whole thing, is to be able to connect on a human level.
I want patients to leave with a sense of inner beauty and strength, and armed with the ability to go out and conquer the world, and to be a cancer patient incognito, so that the cancer doesn't define them, that their treatment doesn't define their looks, that they're able to go out and be normal.